Welcome back. Today we are going to throw on the backhoe because I need it out of the riding ring that it's in for this weekend. But first, we're going to take off the 3-point hitch. Now, if you're new to tractors, this will be a good introduction. If you know what you're doing, well then, this isn't anything new. Top part, just one pin. Second pin here, stability support, that drops out. The bottom pin, I like to leave it hanging, let it drop off. And then when I'm ready, I slide it off. Oh. Oh, that has incurred a little bit of damage. It's wearing, so maybe we'll have to swap these out, replace these at some point. But for now, yeah, they're wearing. It's just from the constant rubbing and up and down. It's not a lubricated point, so you could spray it with the grease, but usually it's a non-grease point, so drop this pin. Move this side out. There we go. That's how it's supposed to go. And should have put gloves on. All right, bud. You should be able to, if you position it right or don't take it off and leave it for the entire winter, you should be able to pull back right up to it and use the lifting arms back up and lift it right up and then hook it up and you're good to go. But because of that, because it sat all winter and extended itself out, I'm going to need to hook up the hydraulics real quick and then use the bucket to push it in towards itself, and then I can lift it up, put the pins in, and we're good. So there's two hydraulic connections for this. One's up here, one's down there, and that completes the circuit. This just circulates it so it's not, yeah, you get what I mean. But this doesn't get connected. Once it gets disconnected, it stays off. It just gets kind of hooked out of the way. We have this fitting goes here. This fitting goes down here. There we go. Now we can push. Hopefully you can hear me over the tractor, but these will be able to, I might want to push it up a little bit, but the bottom catches are lined up, so we should be able to just
I've got some lovely news from Craig.
truck's not going to be done.
Yeah, so we need to bring the black truck down.
I needed to hook up the hydraulics to line it up, and then I can hook it up this way. Okay, it's being the hard way today. Great, love it. Rehook up. There. Now we're good. Now that the tractor has actually picked up the backhoe and it's in the correct spot, we can rehook the hydraulics and then using the legs we can do small adjustments to get the pins in the top so it doesn't go anywhere. One more time. Losing my mind. Lost it ages ago, but Alright, and that's sort of how you put on the John Deere 485 backhoe. It's a lot easier if you put it on a regular basis, but if you leave it for the winter and it self-levels or sinks, you just kind of have to use the hydraulics and make your life easier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video right here. We'll catch you in the next one.